Got us a redfish. He's pulling dry. Let's see how big it is. Maybe this one's a keeper.
Oh yeah, I think
Good little redfish. I on a shrimp.
that was the shrimp?
I was on a shrimp. So maybe that's what they want. We need the net.
Yeah, I think I might eat the net.
Okay.
I can't both up this way.
Just let them come close. Don't let them get a little tired. Pretty redfish. That'll make a good black, and I gotta stop at Walmart now.
Oh, don't shake. Don't shake.
I gotta go to Walmart. Get me some seasoning. Take it easy. We don't know if we got a bad line or not. We haven't caught nothing that big in a while. Come down. You want to step down a little bit?
Yeah, I'll step down. I'll try to get him to that hand. That's a good redfish.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Woo! We needed that. Hopefully we got it. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Not gonna scare him. Not gonna scare him. Got a little fight left in him.
Easy, buddy.
Cause if you lose that, I'm throwing the camera at him. Take your time. He's coming into the net. Take your time. Got him.
Yes!
Well, Matthew, we got something we can eat.
Alright. Woo!
Glad we came over here.
Pretty red.